Hello everyone, how are you? So are you bored of getting checkmated? Slow development? Don't worry, I got you. Today we're gonna learn about Italian opening dated older than 1600s. I'll teach you step by step in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so let's look at the common moves of an Italian game. It starts with pawn to e4. Black responds with e5, you play knight f3, black plays knight c6, and you play bishop to c4. It is called an Italian game here. Now let's look at one of the variation of Italian game called as Gecko-Piano. It happens when the bishop plays on c5. Now you have to respond with c3. The idea is to go on d4 or b4. Now black can either play knight f6 or pawn h6. Let's look at the knight f6. Black plays knight f6, you burst into the center, opening the center with pawn to d4, attacking the bishop and the pawn. Pawn captures, you capture back the pawn. Now bishop gives you a check, you defend and develops your knight. Now the knight captures the pawn on e4. Now you just safeguard your king from the problems and castle. Now they capture your knight, you recapture, bishop captures your pawn, attacking the rook. You just ignore that and play bishop to a3. They capture your rook, you give a check with rook on e1. The king doesn't have any defenses. It defends itself with the knight. You take the knight, the king moves in. You check him again, the king moves in again, and it's just a checkmate. Now let's look at the other variation, where black plays h6, defending the square on g5. There you can just play b4, attacking the bishop. The bishop moves back, the bishop doesn't have any square, bishop moves back. Then you can push again, attacking the knight on c6. The knight comes forward, attacking our bishop. You can just sacrifice your bishop, attacking the king, checking the king. If the king takes, you just give a check with the knight, and when you see this, you know you have to bring your queen out. Now after this check, king goes back. You just give a check with the queen, king comes up. Now, instead of playing anything, you just opt for bishop to c3, giving a check to the king again. If the king blocks with b6, it's just checkmate in one. And if the king blocks with c5, it's even cooler. It's en passant, a discovered check. Then the king pushes the pawn on d6. You just checkmate the king on f7 with the queen, bishop and knight. And that's how you play Gecko-Piano. Okay, so let's look at what if black doesn't play bishop to c5. What if black plays knight to f6? Then we can go in a game called as fried liver. Now here black can push the pawn, blocking your bishop from giving you a fork. You can just take the pawn if black recaptures. Here there's a deadly move, knight takes f7, forking the queen and the rook anyways. King takes the knight, you bring out your queen, giving a check. The king has two options, either to go in or to come out. Let's see what if the king goes to its home square. Then we can just take the knight and you are in a winning position. Now what if the king goes in? Then it's a mate in two. When you take the bishop, the other bishop blocks, and that is just a checkmate. I hope you understood the Italian game by now. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to Dhyan Academy. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.